what I don't understand is you're treating me like the prosecutor here. Okay, you're treating me like I'm in court or the law, not like I'm our son's father. Okay,
if you get out there and you ask for help, don't do it. I genuinely don't. I can't even go anywhere because they think I'm going to tell. Y'all haven't even released the reward. They're not going to do anything. They're not going to stop arresting. They're not going to stop sending me information. They're not going to stop. I want this over.
I do too, but
every day I want to say, please, what can I do to have kids? Please, what can I do?
No, I did not take a burger step right now. I'll get some milk for you right
now. But then you'd never tell me anything.
We're already saying number 2. That's the second thing. We know that. All right. Anything I haven't done. All right. So why come when I gave them the information that I gave them? Why did they not look into it? Why did they not believe it? Why?
What information about Quincy Brown?
Anywhere.
Are you talking about Quincy Brown? What information are you talking about?
No, I did not.
What information?
Okay, you just said they don't tell you anything, right? That's what you said.
Okay, yeah, exactly.
Okay, so which means they would have gotten information from me.
Okay, so what information was it?
Information that I told them. Covered any areas except only.
Talking about, why won't you give me that information? I'm the father of the missing child, Tisha.
But I've already told you one time, and when I told you it wasn't good enough.
Well, tell me again. Tell me right now. I'm in believe Tisha mode.
Okay, how long do you have?
Like 5 to 7 minutes. Honestly,
okay,
I gotta get back in.
I can't do it in 5 to 7 minutes.
Well, what do you need? Tell me.
At 1:10 a.m.
And can you read into the record the text of that search?
Yes. Is it common for a mother to have resentment or even anger towards her child because of the father or another reason?
The search was parenting should be 4 people, not 1.
What's the next search on January 25th, 2020, and what time?
Also 1:40 p.m. I'm over doing all the work for my stepkids and their mom doesn't help.
What's the next search on January 25th, 2020, and what time?
It's at 1:48 p.m. and it reads, if you aren't involved in your kid's life, you are shitty.
What's the next search on January 25th, 2020, and what time?
1:49 p.m. My husband's ex-wife does nothing for her lids.
What is the next search on January 25th of 2020, and what time?
1:54 p.m. One day, some people will, wish they treated you differently.
Yes.
No, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
After we recessed yesterday, I was advised by somebody, I forget whom, that the defendant could be observed mouthing some words during the testimony of our last witness yesterday, Talia McCarta. I went back and looked at the court TV footage from that testimony, and it did appear to me that at some point during that testimony, while Talia was relating one of the vignettes that she shared with the court, that the defendant did mouth quite noticeably, that's a fucking lie, or you're a fucking liar, or something to that effect. And she's furrowing her brow and acting like she didn't do that, but it's caught on video that she did. The court can go back and see it.
And the 2 sticker scales that were on the garage floor were close to those 2x4s that were previously mentioned.
384?
People's Exhibit 384 is now a close-up photograph of the possible blood stains identified using placard B.
Our positive reaction photograph after the bag had been removed.
457.
We've rotated slightly to the east. This is a photograph of the southeast corner of the garage, highlighting those boards and the box directly south of the boards.
It's come to our attention that during the, I think mostly the afternoon session of witnesses today, that the defendant has been flipping the bird potentially to witnesses or to our family that are here for Gannon. And there have been pictures that have been passed to me during this process. One, it's disrespectful to this court. It's disrespectful to this process. And I would ask the court to admonish her to refrain from acting this way in the future during the pendency of this case.
Okay. I've not seen any of that, but on the other hand, the defendant is to my far right. I can see her some on a screen, but I'll just take it as is. Ms. Stauch, what you need to understand is that I can control the conduct of an awful lot of people in the courtroom, including yours. And don't do that. Don't show that kind of, don't be making disrespectful gestures to witnesses, to people, to family members, anything like that. You need to understand that if that continues, I can have you removed and the trial will continue without you.